What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a full interior detail on this 2017 Mazda CX-5, and we're going to be taking you guys along for the process of that, so you guys can just kind of see what all goes into detailing a car like this. And as you can see, when we pan around and kind of zoom in, it's pretty bad. So we're just going to be kind of hitting the reset button more or less on this car today, and we're starting with vacuuming. So this car is protected year-round with weather mats, which means all the dirt and everything underneath those doesn't really there doesn't really get any dirt underneath them. But obviously we vacuum around the edges, and we'll vacuum the seats and the trunk and everything else, and really just remove all the loose debris. Then we're going to be moving on to steam cleaning and agitating all the hard surfaces. So all of the leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and just everything else. And we're just really, like I said, agitating this because it's just been a while since this has been done on this car, and it really needs to be done like this in order to kind of bring it back to life and bring it back to that more or less kind of showroom condition. So you guys can see we're really just kind of aggressively cleaning the interior of this car. So once we're done with that step, we'll move on to cleaning the micro suede inserts. This car has micro suede inserts on the seats, obviously, and these need to be cleaned kind of in a more special way, because if you've ever cleaned suede, you'll know that if you ever put water on suede, you'll know that it kind of dries out and gets hard when you do that. So you kind of have to clean it with a dedicated suede cleaner. But taking a look at the after result here, you guys can see it turned out pretty well. And like I said, we just kind of hit the reset button on this car. So if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out at any time, and we will see you guys in the next video.